life so easy. We get good crop and more profits.
That's great, but are you sure it's good for the environment? Can we trust the company selling us the chemicals? We are feeding our nation.
We have nothing to worry about. The earth will heal itself. If not, we'll just use more of these chemicals. Anyway, good night. We should sleep.
Is the only known planet having life in this universe. We should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.